I wonder where the next adventure will lie. Hopefully it's a state that doesn't suck. Oh no! No! I want to go to frickin' Vermont! Ugh! Oh well, at least it's not Connecticut.
About that, I would have called Game Mullins once a week for the rest of my
nice
life.
cutoff.
I was a Coca-Cola and blind yet. You still...
Yeah, sure.
See, god awful boobies. Just us criticizing tits.
And what's up with the Toyota? What's up with people like cutting off people today? It's weird. No, stop. 2 for 2. Holy shit, someone actually stopped. Good job. There's actually a car coming too, so good job. Good job. Wait, what are you doing up there?
Pieces into little tiny pieces and it just disappears. I gotta go.
I need you to the end of this. Jack,
red light run, red light run, red light run.
10% difference, so it's more than 6,000 years. Is what you're saying.
No, stop.
Yes, that's exactly what I'm saying. Yes. When Noah's flood.
A bunch of them turned into cannibals by the end of the story, as many of you already know.
Also, the middle of the story. I want to.
No, stop.
The middle of the story. Many of them turned into cannibals.
Holy shit. In Vermont, of all places. It looks uglier in person. Who spends $100,000 on that fucking thing and think it's a great idea? It looks like shit.
Eli with 4 Disney crows taped to his arms.
No, stop.
And legs. Black people disappear a coin like.
No, stop.
It's along with the image of Robin taking a cum shot, so
I guess I'll let that.
Red light run, red light run, red light run, Nissan driver. Really? Time for the left turn lane. We're in the jungle, and we don't stop in the jungle, punk. That's Limp Bizkit. What are you gonna do? These guys suck. I don't get why I listen to this shit. No, stop. Everything you do is wrong.
The fact
What's
that it's
really?
medium and you could just
really?
count do two but spell it different is a crime against humanity. So I will go with T on that one as well, actually.
Correct. But it's okay to take a chance when there's one out.
No, stop.
I don't know. I don't fucking get it. But anyways, it's a great game. I love it.
No, stop again, Mercedes.
And that was one of these psycho dads.
One of those things that we've used to quote-unquote detect ghosts since its invention. Of course, it was a lot fucking easier when it took 4 minutes for a picture to be taken.
Why would you go?
It's so hard to get
Really?
to hold still for that long without smiling.
There's cars coming. It's double line through here. What are you doing? You're lucky there's no one coming the other way.
All right, Tom.
While the molasses flood is the most famous fatal American confectionery disaster, it was
Oh,
not
you
the
gotta
most
stay
deadly.
stopped there.
Which of the following sugar-based...
Taken over, and like I'm trying to think the last time
No stop.
somebody that was actually
Well, at least I'm inside a state I actually like now.
There's never been worse actor eye lines in a movie. If you watch that, whenever like something's happening and then they cut to the actor looking
Red
at
light
it,
run, red light run, red light run. First time ever sing that song in New Hampshire. Rip Rock is gonna love it.
out. I refuse to believe that's true. Like, if you figured something out, why would you make that public? Wouldn't you act like
Exit dive.
And then in between periods being like, we fucking figured him out, man.
Vermont knows how to party. Vermont knows how to party. In the city of Burlington. In the city of Rutland. In the city of Randolph. You keep it rocking. You keep it rocking.